Study well first. Secondly, listen when you go to sleep. Remember all words correctly day by day. Abortion. Abortion. Meaning of the word: the ending of a woman's pregnancy. The ending of a woman's pregnancy. Example sentences: abortion is a very emotional issue. Abortion is a very emotional issue. Abortive. Abortive. Meaning of the word: attempted without success. Attempted without success. Example sentences: he made several abortive attempts to escape. He made several abortive attempts to escape. About. About. Meaning of the word: on the subject of. On the subject of. Example sentences: what's that book about? What's that book about? Above. Above. Meaning of the word: higher than. Higher than. Example sentences: the plane was flying above the cloud. The plane was flying above the cloud. Above board. Above board. Meaning of the word: open, honest and legal. Open, honest and legal. Example sentences: the deal was completely open and above board. The deal was completely open and above board. Abrasive. Abrasive. Meaning of the word: rude and unfriendly. Rude and unfriendly. Example sentences: he can sometimes be abrasive in meetings. He can sometimes be abrasive in meetings. Abroad. Abroad. Meaning of the word: in or to another country. In or to another country. Example sentences: we always go abroad in the summer. We always go abroad in the summer. Abrupt. Abrupt. Meaning of the word: very sudden and not expected. Very sudden and not expected. Example sentences: the road came to an abrupt end. The road came to an abrupt end. Abscond. Abscond. Meaning of the word: escape from a place secretly. Escape from a place secretly. Example sentences: several prisoners absconded from the jail. Several prisoners absconded from the jail. Absence. Absence. Meaning of the word: the fact of being away from a place. The fact of being away from a place. Example sentences: she did not explain her absence from the meeting. She did not explain her absence from the meeting.